Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we'll talk about Windows 10, frequently asked questions. In 2015, Microsoft released Windows 10, the newest version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. We'd like to give you a brief overview of Windows 10 and try to answer some questions you may have at this time. Let's dive in. Number 1. What's new and not so new in Windows 10? Many users complained that Windows 8, the previous version, was confusing and difficult to use. As a result, Windows 10 looks and feels similar to older versions. For example, whereas Windows 8 uses the Start screen to launch applications, Windows 10 uses the traditional Start menu. Still, Windows 10 includes a lot of new features and improvements, including Microsoft Edge. This new browser is designed to give Windows users a better experience on the web. It's faster, more secure, and includes a lot of new features. Microsoft Edge is meant to replace Internet Explorer as your default web browser. For more information on Internet Explorer and whether it is supported, you can go here. You'll still be able to use another browser if you prefer. Using Cortana on Windows 10, similar to Siri and Google Assistant, you can talk to this virtual assistant with your computer's microphone. Cortana can answer questions like, "What's the weather like today?" or perform simple tasks, "Remind me to take out the trash," and much more. Multiple desktops and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new Task View feature makes it easy to manage all of your open windows. Number 2. Will all of my apps still be there after I upgrade? Apps you previously had installed on your Windows 7 or Windows 8 computer will still be there once you upgrade to Windows 10. Number 3. Will all of my apps be compatible with Windows 10? If you are upgrading from Windows 7 or Windows 8, most of your apps should still work. However, if you're using an older version like Vista or XP, there's a good chance some of your apps will not be compatible with Windows 10. A simple Google search will often be enough to tell if an app will be compatible with Windows 10. Number 4. I'd prefer to keep using my current version of Windows. Do I have to upgrade? No, you aren't required to upgrade to Windows 10. However, it's worth noting that all support for Windows 7 and 8 has ended. For this reason, we recommend upgrading to Windows 10 if possible. Number 5. I use a Windows computer at work. Can I get Windows 10? Yes, but if you use a professional or enterprise version of Windows at your office, you may need someone from the IT department to install the upgrade on your computer. Number 6. What happened to Windows 9? Many people expected this version to be called Windows 9. For whatever reason, Microsoft decided to skip a version number and go straight to Windows 10. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.